All right, welcome to another box break here on Dynasty Central Sports. This is one of the retail 24-pack boxes that I was speaking about earlier in all my videos. I finally got one of them in the mail from DA Card World. So let's rip this open and speed rip the shit out of this. Much prefer these smaller boxes compared to the hobby boxes. I think they're a little bit better sized and less packaging. As you can see, whole bunch of packs inside, 24 to be exact for the retail box. The only thing that we cannot get is the Young Guns, the clear cuts, I think the exclusives I don't think we can get, or the high gloss either, but still can get 6 Young Guns in this. So actually I think this is a much better purchase because this was only $89 compared to $180, which is the hobby box price. So let's crack into these and speed rip. Base on the front, we got OPG Marquee Rookies, Joseph Wall. Marquee Rookies, blue border. These are backwards. What the hell? This is a Ryan McLeod. Marquee Rookies, blue border. It's a Program of Excellence, Shane Bowers, UD Canvas. That's actually a pretty nice card to pull in a retail box. This is Shane Bowers, POE, Program of Excellence. That's a nice one. Might actually give you a sleeve, bud. Let's give that one a sleeve. It matters. The sleeves matter. A little low on top loaders, but we're going to give this bad boy a sleeve. Program of Excellence, Shane Bowers, UD Canvas. All the other way here. Young Guns, Lucas Vidamo. God damn this dude. I have 3 of his Young Guns now. Marquee Rookies, Retro, Artem Zagadulin. OPG Marquee Rookies, Mackenzie Entwistle, and a green Peyton Krebs Dazzler. So, don't really care about that, but the Peyton Krebs green Dazzler is pretty cool. Nice cards. We got UD Portraits, Stuart Skinner. Young Guns Defense, Brandon Crawley for the Rangers. We got Rookie Materials, slow roll this beast. I think it might be Martin Kaut because I see the Avalanche logo there. And it is Bowen Byram, actually. Never mind. Bowen Byram, Rookie Materials, maroon swatch. That's actually a pretty cool Rookie Materials. Bowen Byram actually has been following me in my polls if you've been following the channel. That is a Young Guns Alexander Yeltsin, defenseman for the Flames. We got UD Portraits Rookie, Connor Ingram. UD Canvas, Anthony Mantha. On the Red Wings, not even on that team anymore. Marquee Rookies, Reed Duke, OPG. We got, what is this, a base pack?
What the fuck?
Yeah, it looks like a base pack. Yep. Gonna get a couple base packs in here, especially since it's retail. We got a Young Guns center, PS Suter. I still don't know how to pronounce his name, but we got UD Portraits, Alex Belzile, and a Zach Parise Green Dazzlers. So 2 Green Dazzlers so far in this box. We got OPG Marquee Rookies, Jake Otter. We got UD Canvas, Cam Fowler. We got Young Guns, Andre Miller. Again, this is my second one. I actually pulled a canvas of his Young Gun just a little bit ago from a Mega. So I got 3 Andre Miller Young Guns so far. We got Marquee Rookies, Nick Robertson Retro. We got Marquee Rookies. Oh no, award winner Cale Makar OPG for the Calder trophy. And it is Joseph Wall. Second card of Joseph Wall we've pulled tonight. All right, next one, Green Dazzlers, 3-1, and we got a Gil Sen Young Guns, and we got a Mark Scheifele Green Dazzlers. So, Gil Sen, Green Dazzlers, Mark Scheifele. UD Canvas, Mark Scheifele. He is in this box. Mark Scheifele, Green Dazzlers pulled, and then a UD Canvas. All right, let's go over the final Young Guns. Gil Sen, Lucas Vedimo, Brandon Crawley, Alexander Yeltsin, POE Canvas, Shane Bowers, Pius Suter, Andre Miller Young Guns. We got Green Dazzlers, Peyton Krebs, Green Dazzlers, Color Match, Zach Parise, and a Rookie Materials jersey, Maroon Swatch, Bowen Byram. Smash like down below and hit subscribe. Thank you for supporting Dynasty Central Sports. We're also going to have one more of these coming, as well as the 2021 rookie box set. So I will be getting that as well, going through. Hopefully we get an autograph out of that box, but it's not guaranteed. So I'll be opening that and this final retail box of 24 one more time, and then I'll be moving on. I got Skybox Metal coming up as well whenever that's released. And I'm looking at some of the new releases Upper Deck is coming out with. I'm thinking if I get a lot of subscriptions and comments and likes, maybe I'll buy a case of SP Authentic. Looking for that Future Watch autograph, Kirill Kaprizov. So thank you for watching. We'll see you later.